Welcome to Whitlock Garage. Today, we're going to be showing you a new segment called What's in My Driveway. We have a lot of vehicles that come over to buy parts, check out trucks, to, I have no idea what I'm saying. Alright guys, so today on Whitlock Garage, we're showing you a new segment called What's in My Driveway. And today, we got our good friend Rick Cheesman over with his square body. Y'all check this thing out. Red with the white, two-tone. What kind of drop setup is on it, Rick?
It's 5.7.
Heck yeah, so spindles and springs in the front.
Yep.
Flip kit and shackles in the rear, I bet.
Yep.
A 20-inch Torq Thrust with, what do you call them, Rick?
The spinners?
The spinners, baby. The knockoffs. So those are what, 20 by 8s in the front?
Yeah.
And 20 by 10s in the rear. And man, this thing is just stanced so perfectly. So Rick is a good buddy of ours, and we do a lot together, especially when it comes to cruises and car shows. And he drives this thing everywhere. If I remember correctly, you drive this thing daily, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
a lot.
That is so cool. Not to mention he lives in Atlanta, where the streets are terrible. Lives in Decatur. I mean, this thing is just perfect. He's Square Body SQUAREBODY C10 on Instagram. Y'all have met Rick before. He's a regular around the garage and around the shop, always helping us out with these trucks. Check out the interior of this bad boy. It's all black.
Me too, because I went there, I had like listed like 3 I was gonna get.
Door shuts good. Check this out, I like this a lot. Color matched spray and bed liner. Can't beat that, especially on a daily. Man, this thing just looks so killer. What's the tire size on the rear of this thing?
305.
305 35s or 40s?
305 35.
305 35s on a 2010. Yeah, that's killer. Pop the hood. Let's show us what you're working with in here. This thing's been on power tour with us in 2018. I'm gonna show you that real quick before I even. This is the best part. One of the best parts anyway. What is this, Rick? I'm not sure I know.
That was a 6-liter LQ4.
Heck yeah. This thing's a beast. This is probably one of the best sounding, and I would argue probably one of the better running trucks in our whole little crew here. This thing runs like a scalded dog. So cool. You want to crank it up, Rick? Sure. What kind of exhaust it got on it?
Got Magnaflow.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't either, man. It sounds great. All right, you want to go for a ride in this thing?
Sure, let's do it.
Here we go. About to take a ride in this 86 Silverado. Check this out. Gotta love that. This thing does sound great. Did you put a dash pad in it, or was it already in here?
Already in here. These things don't fit right though.
Yeah, a little grill.
This one moves, pops out and stuff.
Nice headliner. Man, you still got the cargo lamp over there.
Yep.
Can't see it at all on this thing.
Tell me which way you want to go.
Yeah, just go up here to the three-way and go left. It's a beautiful day in Georgia finally. So it looks like it might have had red interior in it.
Yeah. Yep. You can see it down there too. On those
Oh yeah, on the kick panels.
Yeah.
Yep. Just like it black.
I don't know what that hole stuff's for, so I'm gonna change those out.
Get a little pin striping on here.
I like the pinstripe.
Yeah, I like that too. Is that on the whole truck?
Yeah.
How's that?
It's on the hood and right here. It's all right. You tried. Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. Okay guys, we just got back from the test drive, or the test ride, I guess I should say, on this bad boy. And one thing I forgot to show you that Rick and I were talking about is this cool little bit of pinstriping. It's on the B pillar there, it's on the dash on the inside. On the hood there.
It's on the hood. Yeah, it's right here on the hood as well. So it's just a really cool little accent. It's orange like the factory pinstripe, which is also a really cool part of this truck. With all that said, thanks for tuning in to Whitlock Garage and the new What's in My Driveway segment. We're going to be bringing you plenty more these profiles on these trucks and other vehicles. It's not going to be just about trucks. It's actually going to be about all kinds of cool vehicles. So appreciate you tuning in. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. You can do that by clicking the United by Trucks icon down there in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Give us a thumbs up on the video if you like what you see, and definitely leave us a comment, especially about this particular truck. As I mentioned, this is Rick Cheesman's 86
big square body lowered on some torque thrust with a 6.0 LS motor in it. So it's a really cool truck, great driver. He drives it every day. Hope you like the content. Stay tuned to Whitlock Garage.